Hello and welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we are going to do a quick Costco grocery haul. So I haven't been to Costco since the pandemic started. I went a few times, but the essential things that we normally get from there, like paper towel, toilet paper, etc., were sold out. So we stopped going there, and I'm like, you know what? I always see this big ass lineup. Let me just try today and see what it's like. And I actually didn't have to wait in line at all. I probably waited maybe like 30 seconds, if that. Face masks were mandatory, but there was someone at the front that was offering them. I'm not sure if you had to pay for it or not, but today is Tuesday, July 7th, and I think as of yesterday, they made a new rule in Mississauga or the Peel region where you have to wear a mask in public places. So I feel like either they would charge you for it or maybe they gave it to you for free. So I spent $159.09 and I only wanted to go in there for 3 things. How is that possible? I do not know, but it's okay. All of these things were things that we've wanted, at least different members of my family wanted over time. And so I'm like, you know what? If I see it, I'm just gonna grab it. And let's go through it right now. Starting over here, I got a 3-pack of Q-tips, 625 each. Normally I think it comes with 400 or 500, and the 3-pack was $10.99. I know Q-tips aren't ideal for you, but honestly we do use them sometimes, so I did buy them. Tampax pearls, regular tampons, $16.99 for a pack of 96. You probably could find them on sale, but I did a quick math with what's on sale currently, and this was the cheaper price, so I grabbed some for myself. And then something that my brother has been looking for a while is alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, isopropyl, I'm not sure the proper name for it, but it was a 4-pack for $10.99, and it was just at the front, and it seemed like there wasn't that many left, so I grabbed a pack because he's been looking for it for a few months. Here I was thinking he's using it for like medical purposes, but it's to clean technology, so interesting. Also on the medical side, we bought some masks. My dad asked me to get 50 disposable face masks. He does wear them for work. I think they provide it, but he likes to have his own just in case. And then I also got a pack of 3 non-surgical reusable face masks. Johan thinks it's for dogs because of the title in the corner. I'm not sure if you can see it. It's not focusing. Think dog, but it did say adult non-medical fabric face mask, and it's a 3-pack for $12.99. So I will probably grab one of these and give one to my mom and whomever else wants it. So in non-food related items, I got Rocky 100% pure beef liver 1 ingredient liver treats. It was $11.99. $14.99 was regular price, $30 off. Just to compare, this was a 500-gram bag for $11.99, and this is like the tiniest bag that, or middle-sized bag that PetSmart has. I think 260 grams, Benny Boolies, and same thing, liver treats. And this was probably double the price and half the quantity. So something to keep in mind, but obviously this is even better because of the sale. Honestly, getting stuff on sale really does make my soul feel happy. Okay, moving to food items. So life hack, whenever we go to Costco, we always grab the rotisserie chicken, $7.99. This was literally made fresh as we walked by. So I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna grab it. Really good macros. It actually tells you over here. So I think for 100 grams, which is about 3.5 ounces or 3 ounces, it's 140 calories and 18 grams of protein. So I'll probably have 500 grams right as soon as I finish watching this or making this with some salad and make myself a delicious meal. And then this is what I went into the store for. So I have just recently tried these on a day where I needed to hit my protein. I just didn't want to make any food. And these are 12 grams of protein per bar, and I really love the chocolate sea salt flavor, which is the blue/black packaging. I heard good things about the coconut chocolate bar, so I bought this 18-pack. Normally at Costco it's $23.99, $5 off, so it was $18.99. And the last time I bought it was at Metro, also an 18-pack, just one flavor though, and it was $19.99. So far this has been the best bang for buck, but only when on sale. Other things I went in for, so I've seen these before, and I used to have it when I worked at my old job. Mary's organic crackers. These are really good, like crispy crackers to have with hummus, and the macros are actually not too bad. So for 13 crackers, 140 calories, 5 grams of fat, 21 grams of carbs, and 3 grams of protein. So this is just like a really good snack food, and I might even have some with my salad today. Price of the Mary's organic crackers was originally $9.49. With $3 off, it was $6.49. Next up, I got these Fiber One chocolate bars. So by no means do I think these are significantly healthier than a chocolate bar, but they are almost half the calories, and it will curb my sweet tooth craving. So So it's made with dark chocolate, 130 calories per bar. 130 calories, 3.5 grams of fat, 26 grams of carbs, and 2 grams of protein. And there's 24 grams. The price was $9.79 with $2 off. It was $7.79. So not bad for 24. And then last but not least, I bought this pack of gum. So normally this is $16.79, and then they had $3.50 off the price, which made it $13.29. I think it worked out to be like 50 cents per pack of gum, and it's just something that we go through a lot, so why not? And that's it. So that concludes my haul. I spent about $159, which I did not mean to spend, but here we are, and that's what it is. So I'm gonna have a quick salad, and maybe I will show you guys what it looks like. All right, just to show you what we got over here. So I have kale at the bottom. I put some of that coleslaw mix on top of that. I have cucumber, I have 50 grams of sweet potato, and then I added 16 grams of smoked Gouda. And I have the chicken over here, which I'm going to cut up, and I will add salad dressing, and that's it. Alright, and that wraps it up. Most of the toppings are at the bottom, but I had 31 grams of ranch dressing that I added, and I'm going to put the macros up on the screen right over here. And that just about concludes this video. I know this was a quick short one, but there will be longer ones later. I'm sure of it. I talk a lot. And yeah, I'm going to enjoy this meal now, so I hope to see you guys in the next one. Mwah!